Welcome to Aviation Farming and the Delta 4 hangar in Glendale, Arizona. First thing we're going to do tonight is take this cover off the right-hand wing. Now that's easier said than done because it is infested with black widow spiders. After we get this cover off and got rid of the black widow spiders, the next item on the agenda is to air up all the flat tires on this wing sling. We're working at getting ready to hang these wings on the fuselage, so we need to be able to move that wing sling around a little bit. And needless to say, it doesn't move very easily with all the tires flat. I also want to do a little work and fitting on the area where the strut attaches to the wing. So what you're looking at here is the bottom side of the right hand wing. We got some bricks and using a 2x4 as a lever to just kind of lift the corner up to be able to air up each corner. We got the compressor outside because it's just too noisy inside the hangar and we don't want to deal with that noise tonight. This is what most of the tires look like on this thing, flat. The sling's been sitting here with the wing on it for probably 4 months now. And when the temperature started getting a little cooler here, it seemed to lose all their air. Here we go, we got all the tires aired up. Here's the strut attachment point on the bottom of the wing I'm going to be working on tonight. I'm going to be putting one rivet on here, and then I'm going to be drilling through the bolt hole down through the support bracket underneath. And then I'm going to be working on fitting a part which goes over all that. Here's the bolt hole. I'll be drilling through that and into that bracket underneath. I'm going to line up the part I'm going to put there with the bolt hole and then mark where I'm going to put the rivet. Obviously, you don't want to put the rivet too close to that bolt hole or you won't be able to get the part on. Now this part's a little too tight, so I gotta go and file it down a little bit so it fits better. Here I'm drilling the hole where the rivet is going to be placed. Now, I did have a problem with the first rivet. It was a little bit too short for me, so I had to drill it out and I put a little bit longer rivet in there. Here I'm just bolting on the part just to see how everything fits. I'm leaving this part a little loose because I want it to have a little movement in it. So when the day comes that we hang these wings, we will be drilling and bolting the strut tube onto this part. And we'll have to have the wings first hanging the way we want on the fuselage with the proper dihedral. I really hope we got all those Black Widow spiders off of this wing cover. Gosh, this thing moves a lot better when all the tires have air in them. I'm going to put some chocks underneath some of these tires just so it won't move around at all. I'm still recovering from my broken rib and other injuries from 6 weeks ago, so I'm not moving too well yet. Anyway, at least I'm out moving. I'm going to be out here working again the following night, so I'm not going to put this cover back on. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.